Hey guys, this is Hans Hobbies, and today I have my Tamiya DT02 Nissan Titan. I'm gonna be doing a time-lapse build of this and give you guys any thoughts about the truck, like initial thoughts about the truck after I'm finished building it. My cat decided he wanted to help out, so he might show up in the video. Who knows? But yeah, let's open this up and get to building.
変わらぬ君の笑顔があった歩き疲れ立ち止まる日も小さな喜びの日もこの両手に
So I got the buggy pretty much built. I know it's a truck, but I'm gonna call it a buggy because that's basically what it is. I got the buggy built in basically like a roller form, and it took me about just under an hour to get it built like this. You can tell by the time lapse. Even the time lapse was really short. It really didn't take me that long to build this thing. It's a very simple buggy, and with this Titan version, it's just one of the easier versions to build because you don't even have any camber links to build. You literally get a double wishbone suspension. Just cut the A-arms out, slide it in, put some pins in it. There you go, your suspension's done. And then the front bulkhead and the rear bulkhead, they all come together really easily. This whole piece is basically one piece that you just attach the A-arms to, so that was really simple and really fast. It's protected by the bumper, which is just 4 screws. The rear, the transmission was really quick also because it only has 3 gears in it. It's really very simple transmission. Also just bolts straight onto the chassis, and the suspension also just bolts straight to the transmission casing. So the rear suspension is just as easy as the front. Some notes I had about the build was I don't like how it only has the rear body mount here. It will have 2 body mounts in the front, but for the rear it only has 1, which I know will make it kind of rattle around back here. So that's something I want to fix, probably make up some sort of rear body mount solution for that. I also didn't build the shocks or put any electronics in, and accounting for the electronics and the shocks and stuff, the whole build would have probably taken me about 2 hours. And that's for an experienced builder. If you're a beginner, double that, so maybe 4 hours. But regardless, you should be able to get this thing done within the day. If for the body, give it maybe a couple hours or so to get it cut out, masked off, and painted, and then on there, and then you're all ready to go. So very fun build so far, and I really recommend if you're looking for a kit to build. A quick kit to build, or you're a beginner and you want a first kit, and very simple, durable, and fun kit to build, DT02 chassis, definitely recommend it. Yeah. The next video you can see for this will be the running and review video, so look forward to that. And if you want to see that, you can always subscribe, comment down below, like this video, all that good YouTube shenanigans. And if you want to see more frequent updates about my DT02 Titan, then you can also check out my Instagram at Han Hobbies. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. So a quick note before I actually sign off. For the body post holes are pre-cut, so you don't have to do anything for that. You just have to cut the body out and slap the body right on. I will eventually want to do some sort of rear body mount setup, and I would have to drill my own holes for that. Sorry about that, my cat want some attention because the rear is a little more floppier than I would like. I wish there was the standard 2 body post situation, but it isn't. The other thing is the shocks. I have them built now. The shocks are different front to rear. They're completely different from the body, the shock body to the caps, to the actual shaft. Everything is different. Almost everything's different about it. So you want to be very careful not to mix the shocks up, because otherwise you could end up messing up your shocks and you have to pour all the oil out and start all over again. And that's what I ended up having to do, and it was quite annoying. And hopefully you don't make the same mistake I did. But yeah, signing off again. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.